Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol EROS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis a few days ago, so that is where the red line annotations are here coming from, and that's also where the first updates are going to come about. And I'm just going to do some house cleaning here and get rid of this line. Yeah, that level up there still pertains to the chart. It's just not relevant right now, and from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The other adjustment I'm going to make is just move this level down here. So adjust the level of resistance down to $1.45 as that newest area of resistance. And that's not a good thing. Whenever resistance levels are being quote-unquote adjusted downwards, not a good sign from the bullish part. Now, had I adjusted the level of resistance upwards, that's a much different story. But yeah, that kind of just symbolizes that, you know, the bears remain in full control. And over time, ever since a nice move there, every time the price has bounced, these highs just keep getting lower and lower. So, you know, if there is going to be any sort of, legitimate shot at a turnaround, then in the very near term, at the very minimum, the price has now got to get back up above $1.45 and then stay up above it. If the price can do that, then the next overarching level of resistance you would want to turn your attention to is the 50-period moving average right there, which on my chart is denoted by the purple line. Keyword being moving, so as the week plays out, that line will continue to move itself downwards. So right now it's valued at $1.61, sure, but like I said, as the week and then next week plays out, that value will be, going down in value also. But probably getting a little bit ahead of myself because before you even worry about or focus on doing battle with that 50-period moving average, prices again first got to break up above the $1.45 mark. As far as levels of support are concerned, nothing complicated here in the least other than the fact of the bleeding finally stopped at several occasions today down there at $1.38. If you go through and, count them up, so there's 3 times right there where the bears tried but failed. And then once again, during the final 30 minutes, the bears tried again and failed. So the bulls are definitely holding up strong there at $1.38. So that is, a very clear level of support going forward. And we'll see if the price can remain stubborn down at that area or not. But yeah, overall, the bears remain in full control. And we'll see if this is some sort of bottoming formation or not. But if it is, then like I said, the first step of power is just going to be getting back above $1.45. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.